guys, my name is Divyani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to talk about random things जो important होती है हर लड़की के life में. तो ये बहुत subjective है, I know, मतलब ये हर किसी के situation के हिसाब से या life के हिसाब से vary करती है. But I feel कि let's share about what are my thoughts over it, or what are the stuffs which I just can't survive without. So before that, let me just tell you to please ignore the lighting for today's video. I don't know what's happening. The sun is like just coming and going continuously. So yeah, please ignore that. And without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So the first thing which we are going to talk about is a nail cleaner brush. As you can see, it's very tiny because it's just specifically designed to clean your nails. So if you're someone who likes to keep your nails always groomed and all that stuff, even if you put some good nail paint and get some good manicure done, but there's gunk in your nails, then it's going to look very shabby and untidy. Also, it's not good for your hygiene purpose. So keep such kind of brush handy with you so that anytime you can just rub it from your nails and the gum just vanishes. Also, if you're someone like me who doesn't like to grow your nails, I just don't like to grow my nails, I like to always keep them short, then तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा useful है because short nails में ये clean करना बहुत easy हो जाता है rather than long nails, of course. So yeah, and it's good for both. Like, let me tell you, even men can use it and even a girl can use it. So yeah, a nail cleaner brush. So the second thing which I'm going to talk about is a nude nail paint color. A nude nail paint color is a must-have. Like, this color is a must-have in your nail paint collection. Whenever you're confused which color to put on your nails, and it's not like going with your outfit or something, trust me, this nail paint color is going to go with any of your outfit. And it's just such a nice, subtle and natural color that it just blends with any skin tone. So yeah, this is my second most important thing in every girl's closet. So the third thing which we are going to talk about is using a hand cream. Now all this while, even I was using the same body lotion for my hands, but it just didn't serve the purpose of it because body lotion tends to get very sticky and oily, and this part is always at use, so you don't like something oily and sticky on your hands because then you just can't work properly. And even if you're fully clothed, there will be like this part always remains open, and you need to take really good care of it. So especially those people जिनकी skin बहुत जल्दी dry होती है, especially now winters में तो बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है. So yeah, I would really suggest you guys to go with a hand cream as well. So if you ask me, I go with the Face Shop wala. This is from the Face Shop Cherry Blossom. So try to use something which has less of fragrant content because वो cream ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है जिनके यहाँ fragrance बहुत कम होता है. So yeah, this has a very less fragrant content, so I opted for this one. But you can use any other hand cream as well. But please go for a hand cream because I feel अगर कोई चीज़ किसी purpose के लिए बनी है तो शायद वो उस पर्पस को पूरा करे, तो why not give it a try, तो मैंने जब ये यूज़ करना चालू किया है तो now I just cannot stay without it. So yeah, a hand cream is a must. So for the fourth thing, let's dive in the kitchen as well because आपको वहाँ पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा quick and easy कुछ ऐसे tool की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So I came across with this vegetable chopper. ये कितना ज़्यादा लाइफ सेविंग है आई कांट टेल यू. लेकिन लॉकडाउन में तो इसने मेरा इतना आसान काम कर दिया था बिकॉज चॉपिंग इज़ अ वेरी बोरिंग टास्क समटाइम्स. यू जस्ट डोंट फील लाइक चॉपिंग थिंग्स एंड व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ फूड देन ऑफ कोर्स चॉपिंग इज़ अ हैवी टास्क. सो ऑफ कोर्स फाइन चॉपिंग सबसे ज़्यादा हैवी टास्क है. उसमें भी अगर आपको बहुत छोटे छोटे पीसेस चाहिए तो वो तो फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम टेकिंग है. सो yeah, I came across this and I was like, I really want to have this man because इसके बिना तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊँगी. So what you do is you just put stuffs inside this box, then close the lid and then you just pull this strings type of thing, which is actually very fun to do as well. And yeah, everything is just chopped so well. जैसे आपको चाहिए वैसे आप करते जाओ. Like आप थोड़ी देर के लिए करोगे तो थोड़ा चॉप होगा, और ज़्यादा करोगे तो एकदम फाइन चॉप होगा. तो you know, it's how you want, and you can do anything like carrot and cucumber and all those stuffs, इसमें onions and everything, कुछ भी आप chop कर सकते हो in just 2 minutes. So yeah, I think this is also one thing which every girl must have, because you know, हमको कुछ ना कुछ कुकिंग तो करती ही रहनी पड़ती है यार, because चाहे वो आप अकेली रहती हो, आप फैमिली के साथ रहते हो, कुछ भी करते हो, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको कुक करना ही पड़ेगा. सो या, दिस थिंग इज़ वेरी मच यूजफुल. बट लेट मी टेल यू कि अब इसमें ना बहुत सारी कंपनीज आने लग गई है. लाइक पहले तो 1-2 कंपनीज ही थी, लेकिन अभी तो सारे कंपनीज आने लग गए. तो मेक श्योर आप किसी अच्छी क्वालिटी का लो, बिकॉज उसके जो ब्लेड्स हैं वो अच्छी क्वालिटी के होने चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर आपका चॉपिंग इतना अच्छे से नहीं होगा. सो मेक श्योर आप किसी अच्छी क्वालिटी का लो. तो मैंने तो वंडर शेफ का लिया है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा है. सो मैं लिंक कर दूँगी नीचे, आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. So the fifth thing which I'm going to talk about is a pepper spray bottle. Now this is very important, girls. Let's just be honest. I don't care even if you don't have all the rest things which I explained in the video, but please go for this one. You are going to get it anywhere, in any local or medical store nearby you. Just invest in this one and always keep it with you. Like I'm not saying that something or the other is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen to anyone, but it is just for your own assurance, because we know how the world is. We know what are the things going around in the world. So yes, you should be sufficient enough in some or the other small way to take care of yourself and be strong enough that okay, be confident that okay, I am having something with me in my bag, कि अगर कुछ भी होता है तो मैं तुरंत उसका यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. सो येस, अगर आपको पेपर स्प्रे के साथ नहीं जाने तो आप कुछ ऐसा रखिए अपनी बैग में हमेशा, लाइक सेफ्टी पिन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, कि आप उसका यूज़ कर पाओ जब भी ऐसे कोई सिचुएशन आती है. मेड भी स्मॉल, मेड भी बिग, जो भी सिचुएशन है, बिकॉज आई नो हाउ आवर लाइफस्टाइल्स आर. भले एक वर्किंग वुमेन हो या एक नॉन वर्किंग वुमेन हो, कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो अगर आप वर्किंग वुमेन हो, आई नो समटाइम्स द आवर्स गेट रियली वियर्ड. यू नीड टू ट्रैवल अलोन एंड you need to, you know, just look after yourself all alone. So you need to keep something for your own assurance and safety. So yes, I again request you all to please invest in this pepper spray. It won't cost you anything. And also मैंने जानबूझ की छोटी बॉटल ली है, because I can keep it in my purse. आप चाहो तो बड़ी बॉटल भी ले सकते हो, but I don't think इतनी कोई ज़रूरत है. So yes, go for a small bottle of a pepper spray. So the last thing which I'm going to talk about is a LBD, which is a little black dress. Now I know every girl has a black dress in her closet, which we run to every single time when we don't know like what to wear, we are confused to wear. That black dress is to our rescue. So yes, have a very plain black dress, like something like which I have. The one I have is from H&M. I had got it from H&M. It's a very nice sleeveless black dress with a flare kind of design. It's fit and flare and it's sleeveless. Like I just love how the straps are. Like they are not that broad or not that short as well. I just loved the overall fit of this dress. And you know, H&M and Zara has very good quality of black dresses, or you can get it anywhere, but make sure that it should not have any kind of design overall. It should be completely plain, because that's how the classiness of that black dress is, and you can just style a black dress in so many ways. So yes, that's about my last thing which every girl must have. सो यहीं पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. एंड मैंने बस कुछ ऐसी रैंडम चीज़ें यूज़ करने की कोशिश की जो मैं खुद भी अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करती हूँ, तो मुझे लगा कि शेयर करते हैं. एक्चुअली मुझे और भी चीज़ें बतानी थी, बट फिर मुझे लगा कि वीडियो थोड़ी सी शायद लंबी हो जाएगी. तो अगर आपको पार्ट 2 भी देखना है, तो अगर आपको ये पसंद आया हो तो डू मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आई श्योरली मेक अ वीडियो. And please do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for many more updates. And stay tuned for the next video. Till then, I'll see you soon. Bye.